Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to unblock contact number in Poco phone. Friends, you want to unblock contact number in your Poco phone, so how to unblock contact number in Poco mobile, now I will show you. Friends, you have blocked contact number and friends now you want to unblock, so how to unblock. First guys we will on phone setting, and friends you can see your contact list here. So once we'll click on contact list, and once you want to search any contact number, so you can search here. So once you can see guys your contact number setting. So guys we'll click on this three dot option, click here and setting option. Friends, you can see guys your block number setting is here. So guys block number. So friends, I have blocked guys my contact number, this is my number. As you can see I have blocked guys, I will unblock from here. So friends, you can check my number is unblocked. When this number guys I have blocked, this was my number. Right side guys the option guys I block this number, and guys shortly setting a direct guys you want to unblock. So you can unblock guys third option, click here unblock number. So like that guys you can unblock your contact number from two settings. First guys click on which number you have blocked and you can unblock from here. Second option guys, example guys, first guys I will block my contact number, and second option guys when we will on phone setting, three dots, click here setting option, block number guys you can check and unblock. So like that guys we can unblock contact number with two method, first direct and second guys with setting. So I hope friends you understood how to unblock contact number in Poco phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your Poco phone setting? So friends, you can ask me comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.